Welcome to the latest in our video series that walks through different scenarios where users need to log in with MFA and the solutions you can implement to make that happen. Some of these solutions are common, and others are more unique. If you have a specific MFA requirement scenario you're struggling to solve, let us know in the comments and we'll make a video on how you can do that. Let's dive in. Today's scenario involves a man named Philippe. Philippe is on his way to a company retreat when his connecting flight gets canceled. To make matters worse, his checked luggage, including his hardware tokens, is lost in transit. He doesn't have a company-issued smartphone, and his organization doesn't allow smartphone-based authentication. But Philippe still needs to log in to his laptop to send an email to his team and let them know he's running late. So, without internet, a smartphone, or any hardware token, how can he securely authenticate? Let's look at a couple of options. Solution 1. Offline by passcode. The first solution is to use an offline bypass code. Here's how it works. Philippe calls his company's help desk and explains the situation. The help desk pulls up his user profile and after verifying his identity, reads him a 9-digit offline bypass code that's been pre-generated and stored securely in his account. Philippe logs into his laptop with his username and password. Since the device isn't connected to the internet, the system prompts him for an offline bypass code. He enters the code he received from the help desk and is granted access. Now he can find a Wi-Fi connection and update his team. No hardware required. Solution 2. Passcode grid. Another smart option is to use a passcode grid. This method doesn't rely on internet connectivity or electronic devices, just a grid of characters that Philippe can carry with him physically or store securely in a digital format. Each employee receives a unique 5x5 grid filled with 3 character tuples. Philippe could print it and keep it in his wallet, or store it somewhere only he can access. To log in, Philippe enters his first factor credentials, selects passcode grid as the second factor, and inputs the required tuples from the grid into the authentication prompt. He's now logged in. No help desk call, no hardware, no smartphone. Even in challenging situations with no internet, no smartphone, and no hardware, it's still possible to securely log in using MFA. Offline bypass codes and passcode grids give organizations flexible, secure options for unique scenarios just like Philippe's. LoginTC offers a wide range of authentication methods designed to meet your organization's specific needs. Check out the next video in the series, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos all about MFA.